Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix if the social button is not showing up on your TikTok, or you can't link your Instagram and YouTube on your TikTok. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can do is to simply check if your TikTok or the TikTok that you have is up to date. So first, just open your Play Store or App Store and then just simply search the TikTok in there and then see if an update is available. So you'll be able to tell if an update is available if an update button, if you see an update button in your TikTok, just like right here in mine. So if you see an update button, just simply tap the update button for you to be able to download the latest version of TikTok. And if you see the open button, it means that your TikTok app is up to date. And then next, what you can do is to uninstall and reinstall your TikTok app. So to do that, just simply tap or long press your TikTok app and then click uninstall and click uninstall again, and just let it install your TikTok app for a few seconds. And then after that, you can download the TikTok again from your Play Store. So just like that. And then if after installing your device, just check again in your TikTok account if the social button is already showing up. And if that still didn't fix the problem, what you can do next is to go into your TikTok, just like right here, and tap into the three horizontal lines that is located on the upper right corner of your screen and click into settings and privacy. And then in here, just scroll down and tap into report a problem so that it load for a few seconds. And then after that, just click into the account profile, security loans report. So tap into the report. So just like right here, let it load for a few seconds. And then after that, you can go ahead, if the problem that you have is not available on this selection right here, what you can do is to tap other. So let it load for a few seconds again, and then in here, just tap no. So tap no. Sabihin, need more help. Tap into the need more help, and then in here, this is where you can type in your problem here on your TikTok. So you can do, what you can type here is, hello TikTok, I wanted to link my Instagram and YouTube to TikTok, but the option is not available even though I'm using the latest version of TikTok. And just specify or clearly identify the problem that you are having with TikTok right here. So just type that in there, and then after that, just submit, or just click into the submit button that is located on this part right here. And then after a few hours or even 24 hours, check in again here on TikTok and your problem should be resolved. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.